Oh, hello there. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button.
You know those times when you're working on your motorcycle again because, you know, it hates you, but then there's a tool that you need and you have to wait a day and then you don't really have a lot to do and you look around and you start seeing things and your brain starts just like engineering up ideas of maybe we could do that. Would that work? And then you decide that you haven't got a choice and you're just going to have to make it. Yeah. Ah. This is just the first version I have in mind, and for testing ammunition I'm going to use potato. So this indeed is a spud gun, but it won't be in the end. Yeah, look at that. Now, if you try and shove this down here, we're going to have problems because of resistance of air, but because this is an air gun with a release button, if you press that, you can actually load it. So this is better than an air gun blower because we have a release valve there. Yeah, I'll think of everything. Does it work? I'd say it does. Okay, so we know for a fact that this thing can fire potatoes pretty well. But that was not the intended food for this. It was intended to be for these. These are water beads. Orbeez. This is 5,000 roughly, and when you put them in water they turn into these. Pretty. Yeah. That is such a perfect fit. If I press the release button, it will go in. Okay, that is effective. We can say that for sure. It is effective. Okay, so we have proof of concept that this works. Now is to go for stage 2. We need a hopper, as it were. Now, this happens to say Warrior, Unleash Hell on it, which I think is just funny. But this is just a protein shake mug, which I'm hoping is going to have a strong enough lid to be airtight. And this very strong lid also hopefully will have enough hold to not pop open, because there's going to be pressurized air in here. Idea being, I'm going to be cutting a groove out of the barrel so the Orbeez can go in. This will sit inside it, and then as the air flows through, they will naturally be forced through the barrel. But let's get on with getting that in there. So all I need to do now is drill 2 holes. The largest I've got here is a 10, though I do have one of these step cutters, which in every example of me ever trying to use one is rubbish, but for plastic will probably be great. Put a mark on the step above so I know where to stop. Didn't crack, that's good. So what's straight across? Actually, just in case that paint goes, I'm going to make a dink. Oh, that worked. So I glued it with super glue and let the super glue fill that hole, kicked it with a kicker, went back over it, kicked it again, and I've also just tacked it on up here, just to give it a bit more rigidity. This is the moment of truth. This really is. Right, so I've poured all the water out. These are weird. It's because there's so much just water to them. Right. As I say, we need the weight. Cap. I'm going to hold the lid on for the first one just in case. Is this going to work? It even makes the noise. I dreamt this thing up a while ago, okay? And I thought, there is no way this can't work, and it should make this noise. I made a bit of a discovery. These ones you can get from Amazon, which you get 5,000 in a pack, are significantly larger beforehand than these ones, which claim to have 55,000 in a pack. For me, these are absolutely useless because I designed the barrel for 12mm stuff, which is like this, which is the first packet I showed you, the 5,000. The 55,000 are much smaller and very much inconsistent in size. So they're actually completely useless for this. These are what we need. I'm a little concerned I left the beads in the water too long, and that's why these are shredding, because I've done a bit of testing in the garage and I've actually had to remake this because it seemed like it was chopping everything. First thing, I'm going to try these way too small ones because there's nothing I can do with these. The other issue is these ones will fall out the barrel. Yep. As suspected, they were rubbish. Okay, so let's try glass, the proper ones. I've reduced the pressure a little. Are we ready? Yeah, that's just shredding, isn't it? Look. Okay, I've upped the pressure because that's what it was on yesterday and it seemed to be working like that much better. The advantage of spraying this all over my lawn is that in the summer it shouldn't dry out as quickly because this actually is something you add to soil to make it hold on to its moisture better. Okay, so are we in shot? Here we go. It is just annihilating every single one of them. What does it do with water in it? I'm not going to aim at the camera this time though. And then what would happen if we fill it with water and Orbeez? Ooh. They're coming out whole now. Oh, no. We're back into blowing them up again. Okay, I think I've cracked it. Number one, I've put a little funnel inside here that helps direct the balls down into the tube more accurately. And also I think that if you add a little water, it helps lubricate and seal everything, and it seems to protect the balls and stops them being blown up. So this should be the one. Okay, so Orbeez with an amount of water. It kind of self-corrects how much water it needs. Can we do single shots? Oops. It's actually reasonably accurate. I got Reno out because she'll want to fire this thing. Aim at the camera. Wiggle, wiggle. While firing. Yes! Yes! Shot! Stop. It's good, isn't it?
That's brilliant. I love that.
I all know what you want to see. I'm going to let her shoot me.
Yes. Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
As ready as I'm ever going to be. Jesus Christ! Ah! Ow! Ah! Ow! Ow! She's accurate. Okay! Back off! You got me in the face!
Oh, sorry. Wow, look out, I will get you in the...
Go on then, empty it out. Not at me. It was a dumb invention, but you all want to go, don't you? So if you want to have a go, hit the like button. Don't do anything dangerous. Say hello to my little friend!